Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done a video on this before, but it is so important that I think it's going over it. It just happened this morning. Somebody's got some problems, and for the one I'm doing it for, your screenshot looked just like this. If this is what you're not talking about, let me know. But if you get something you can't get back, your toolbar, and there's ways to get them back, but you've really messed something up, if you will shut Corel down and then hold down the F8 key while you're loading Corel back, and it's going to come up with a message, do you want to reset to factory defaults? And you just say yes, and it'll set everything back like it was brand new. Well, this person's question, or not really question, is worry that he's going to lose his settings. Like I've got my settings set on, I draw in red hairline. My duplicate distance is, or let me get, it's gone until you check it. My duplicate distance is 0, 0. My nudge factor is 0.01. My rulers are 0, 0 right here. My page size, anything I've set. Well, if you want to save that, go right up here to this bar, right click, customize, workspace, and export it. And then have everything checked and say export. And I've already got it saved, so I'm not going to do it. You know, I've got Doug 4, Doug 3 through the different years. So when you open Corel up and it's set this to 0.25 and 0.25, and you know the color is CMYK and your rulers are not correct, all you have to do is go to this gray bar worksheet and import it. And then it's going to ask you which one you want, and I want one of those. And it'll put everything back to the way you had it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question and worry, and thank you for watching.